I'm gonna give you challenge to all of you whoever watching my video. Okay, I'm gonna make a challenge is that I'm gonna make accent. I'm gonna make only one specific accent, and you people just let me know down in the comment which accent is this. Okay, which country people speak like this whenever they speak in English. So I'm gonna make an accent. Okay, so 1 2 3. So from now I'm going to use that accent, but first thing I want to make clear is that I really don't like to make fun of anybody or hurt any community. It's just for fun, that's it. But I really love you people a lot. The reason I'm able to speak little bit like that, is that wherever I go, I see you people. I have lots of friends, they speak like this, so I just automatically it happened with me. That's it. Even I'm not practicing, it just happened to me. Okay, so just let me know, just let me know what kind of accent is this. But the first thing is that I love about these people is that they are all the time smiling, supporting, helping. So that's the thing I love about it. So whenever I be around you, I feel very amazing, very happy, So let me know down in the comment box that what kind of accent does it sounds like. Thank you.